Imagine a world where every corner, every movement, every moment is seen with crystal clarity. Not just recorded, but understood. This isn't science fiction. This is the G6 Pro series. The next generation of intelligent security that's rewriting what surveillance can be. Let's start with the G6 Pro turret, the eye that never blinks. Inside this sleek, precision-built body sits a massive over 1.2-inch, 8-megapixel image sensor. Yeah, it's big. And that's exactly why it captures details others miss. Every frame, every face, every plate number, perfectly sharp, even in the dark. Because this thing isn't afraid of the night. It's got a 40-meter infrared range, plus a white light LED that turns total darkness into full color. Imagine seeing the same detail at midnight that you would at noon. That's the kind of power we're talking about. And it's tough. With an IP66 rated shell, the G6 Pro turret doesn't care if it's rain, dust, or chaos outside. Indoors, outdoors, same flawless performance. But what really makes it smart is what's inside. A multi-TOPS AI processor analyzes what it sees in real time, distinguishing people, faces, even subtle patterns, so you get insight, not just footage. Add two-way audio and an LED ring that boosts Face ID accuracy, and suddenly, this isn't just a camera. It's awareness in a box. Now for places where security isn't optional, meet the G6 Pro Dome. Same 4K precision, same AI power, but built inside a vandal-resistant IK10 rated housing. Think public stations, factories, high-security zones, anywhere you want strength and sophistication working side by side. It's beauty wrapped in armor. And then there's the big one, the AI Multi-Sensor 4. 4 independent 8-megapixel sensors, each with its own 2.3 times optical zoom, working together in perfect harmony. One installation, 4 synchronized perspectives, 360 degrees of clarity. Imagine covering an entire parking lot, an airport terminal, or a stadium with just one setup. It's wide area vision, but smart. Every angle tracked, every event captured. No blind spots. From precision optics to AI-powered intelligence. The G6 Pro lineup isn't just about watching. It's about understanding. Built for professionals, ready for every environment, and designed to rethink what security means in a connected world. Welcome to the future of surveillance. Ubiquity. Rethinking it.